approaching this with a positive, like, how can we double down on your humanity and what brings you joy? Kind of taking this conversation full circle to, like, not being the school who killed creativity, but embracing it. I think AI is going to allow us to, A, refocus what we're trying to do in the classroom, but B, allow teachers to have time to do those things, because we're going to take all that kind of teaching and learning, that takes time. So we have to clear something off of educators' plates so that they can invest in these creative pursuits.
And everything you talk about just now is what Chapter 2 is, the Future of Education report, where there's an opportunity to reimagine learning design. And do you actually think that's like possible to do? And you also see an opportunity for technology in this report to elevate the work of teachers.
The challenge is systemically, are we going to support it? Are we going to create space and grace for educators to try, to fail, to iterate? Are we going to renorm what we value in schools as communities, as education leaders, as system leaders, as policymakers, so that we're validating and appreciating educators who are taking this risk and doubling down on what's going to help students grow to be the best versions of themselves. The other side of it is allowing teachers the support so they have the temporal, emotional, and resource bandwidth to actually do these things. Because it takes time, and we shouldn't be expecting educators to stay until 6 o'clock at night and work on Saturdays. I mean, if they're super stoked about something and they want to go to an ed camp on a Saturday, like, hey, snaps.
Aggie from Red Manta here. Ever noticed how group work can fall flat in history classes? Getting students to truly collaborate and problem solve together is trickier than it looks. Let's see how we can make learning more interactive while developing these crucial 21st century skills. Our collaborative role-playing assistant creates immersive scenarios that turn learning into an engaging team adventure. To get started, first, go to the AI Assistant Hub. Choose 21st Century Skills. Select Collaborative Role-Playing Adventures. Here, you can choose a curriculum or go with a general approach. Then, input your subject, grade, and language. And specify your team size. Click Start, and the assistant suggests 3 different story ideas. Each comes with unique characters and roles. Choose one that suits your class, or suggest your own scenario. When you're ready, click Bring it to life. The assistant then generates a complete story with 3 connected scenarios. Open-ended questions for brainstorming. Interactive chatbot characters. And reflection tasks for team experiences. To get the most out of it, encourage problem solving from different perspectives. Use the chatbot character for additional insights. Guide students through the reflection process. Ready to transform your lessons into collaborative adventures? Give our role-playing assistant a try and let us know what you think.
AI-powered classroom management. AI isn't just about grading and tutoring. It's even helping with classroom management. Programs like GoGuardian monitor student screens, flag distractions, and keep learners on task. AI-driven classroom analytics also help identify behavioral patterns and suggest interventions, making it easier for teachers to maintain a productive learning environment. Classrooms are transformed by artificial intelligence. Picture students' engagement soaring as intelligent systems streamline the learning process. First, personalized learning. AI tailors educational content to each student's needs, making learning more effective. Next, immersive learning. Virtual reality powered by AI creates interactive experiences, enhancing understanding and retention. Then, predictive analytics. AI can identify learning gaps before they widen, providing timely intervention. Finally, administrative efficiency. AI automates routine tasks, freeing educators to focus on teaching. Artificial intelligence in education, it's not just a concept, it's a revolution.
mission, enhancing learning through intelligent systems. In this brave new world of education, we're not just teaching students, we're inspiring lifelong learners. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember, the future of education is here, and it's powered by AI.
In learning, where the classroom comes to you. Picture this, mastering the latest technologies without even leaving your office. Thanks to virtual reality, this is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality. From understanding intricate procedures to engaging in lifelike simulations, VR is redefining learning for working adults. It's not just about reading or listening anymore, it's about diving in, experiencing and practicing in a safe, controlled environment. Are you set to level up your skills and embrace this futuristic mode of learning? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on VR learning. Embark on this immersive educational journey with us, and together we'll shape the future of learning.
Hey everyone, and welcome back. Imagine a classroom where every lesson is perfectly tailored just for you, where you can travel to ancient Rome, explore a cell, or practice surgery, all before your lunch break. This isn't science fiction. This is the new reality, driven by AI-powered learning and immersive classrooms. Today we're diving into the future of education. First, let's talk about the brain of this revolution: AI-powered learning. It's not about robots replacing teachers, it's about giving teachers a superpower. AI analyzes massive amounts of data in real time. Your quiz results, your reading speed, where you pause, and which concepts you struggle with. The result? Personalized learning paths. Instead of a one-size-fits-all lesson, AI adapts the content and pace to you. If you've mastered a topic, it moves you forward. If you're struggling, it offers extra practice or an alternative explanation. It also gives instant feedback. Think of AI-powered tutors and chatbots available 24/7. They can answer basic questions, grade simple assignments, and provide immediate guidance, freeing up the teacher to focus on mentorship and deep-level discussion. Essentially, AI is the engine that makes learning supremely efficient and truly focused on the individual student. Now for the experience. Immersive classrooms. This is where technologies like virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR) take learning beyond the textbook. VR puts you inside the lesson. Need to understand how the heart works? You can shrink down and walk through the chambers. Studying history? Take a virtual field trip to the surface of Mars or the trenches of World War I. This experiential learning is incredibly powerful because it turns abstract concepts into tangible memories. You don't just read about the past, you live it. AR is the overlay. It superimposes digital information onto the real world. Imagine pointing your tablet at a physical anatomy model and seeing all the major organs instantly labeled, animated, and explained right on your screen. These classrooms increase engagement exponentially. When a lesson feels like an interactive adventure or a high-stakes simulation, students are naturally more motivated and retain information much better. The real game changer is when you combine AI's intelligence with immersive technology's power. It's a perfect synergy. In an immersive environment, AI is silently watching and analyzing. Where did the student look? What decision did they make in the simulation? How long did it take them to solve that problem? This data allows the experience to become adaptive and hyper-personalized. Example: in a medical VR training simulation, if the student keeps making a critical mistake, the AI can immediately pause the scenario and trigger a specific, personalized VR tutorial to correct that exact error, rather than letting them fail and starting over. For the teacher, AI provides actionable analytics. They get a report that clearly shows not just what a student got wrong, but why, a level of insight no paper test could ever provide. This combination creates a learning loop that is continuous, immediate, and constantly optimizing itself for maximum understanding. Of course, this shift isn't without challenges. Cost, access to hardware, and data privacy are real issues that need careful consideration. But here's the most important point. Technology is a tool, not a substitute for human connection. The teacher remains the most vital element. AI and immersive tech handle the data and the logistics, allowing educators to focus on the soft skills: creativity, critical thinking, mentorship, and inspiring the next generation. AI-powered learning and immersive classrooms are transforming education from passive consumption to active, personalized experience. It's no longer about memorizing facts. It's about mastering skills and experiencing knowledge firsthand. What do you think of this educational future? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies changing our world. See you next time.